Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to share the recipe of spaghetti with you, and this will be the easiest spaghetti you will ever make. First, take some water, add some salt in it. At boiling point, add pasta. I'm using egg noodles here. Boil the pasta for 7 to 8 minutes. Reserve half cup of the pasta water. When the pasta is done, strain it, put it under tap water and add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Now take a wok, add 4 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add 250 grams of boneless chicken. Fry it until it changes its color. It's time to add some spices. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon vinegar and 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now add some onion, capsicum and tomatoes. You can add the vegetables of your choice. You can add cabbage, spring onion and carrot also. Don't cook vegetables more than 1 minute. Now add pasta. Two tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon chili sauce and the pasta water we reserved. Mix all the ingredients. And cover it for 4 to 5 minutes. Our yummiest spaghetti is ready. Do try this recipe and share the feedback how it came out. I will come back in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.